the beautiful natures here in Angeles City.
Here in Angeles City, there are many beautiful places, nature that you can visit with your friends, family, and special someone. And those places are Dinosaur Island, Mount Arayat, Nayang Pilipino Clark, and one of the most beautiful places is Puning Hot Spring. If you're looking for off-road experiences, nature hot spring pool, unique and outdoor spa, then Puning Hot Spring is a good place for you. It is located at Sincho Targag, Barangay Sapang Bato, Angeles City.
Ni hao ma! Let's go to the food capital of the country, Pampanga. Here was one of its popular food, sisig. The dish's name comes from sisigan, an old Tagalog word that means to make it sour. Its existence was first recorded in a Kapampangan dictionary back in 1732 by Diego Berganyo. Your trip to Pampanga will never be complete without dining at Aling Lusing Sisig, which serves the authentic Kapampangan sisig recipe and the best sisig in Pampanga.